Back with us here, ladies and gentlemen. www.v-league.ph, the league's official website. Also, like us on Facebook and follow us on Twitter. Report now, galing kay Mitch Datuin.
Yes, Noel. Sabi kanina sa akin ni Coach Sherwin ng Adamson University na kailangan nila ng better floor defense. Lalong-lalo na raw kung dadaan sa ibabaw ng blockers nila yung mga spikes ng kalaban. Sabi niya sa akin na inaasahan niya si Pau Soriano at Angela Benting para i-push pa yung team. Hindi naman daw siya nagagalit masyado sa game para iwas tension sa players. Pero pagdating sa practice, doon daw siya bumabawi. At para daw ma-realize ng team yung pagkukulang nila at maitama ito bago pa ang huli lahat.
Wow! Jen Reyes keeping that alive. Thank you very much, Michelle Datuin. But Jen Reyes with the heroic dive. Tignan natin kung saan nagpunta yan. Nabura si Jen Reyes.
That was yung, ang lakas ng down the line hit ni Angela Benting. But again, Ruby De Leon, quick thinking and acting fast.
Isa pa yan, si Jen Reyes. Tinatanong ko, actually wrote in my article already as I would take our friends from Shakey's. If it's Fun Family Pizza, it's gotta be Shakey's. Kine-question ko yung lineage nito si Jen Reyes. Pusa ba siya sa kanyang past life?
Bigla na lang sumusulpot na, no?
Parang pusa eh.
Oo. Hindi naliligaw. Di ba ganun yun, yung mga pusa?
Kailangan ligawin ng Adamson dito. De Leon again, spiking. Benting, off the angle, and a great block by Jaja Santiago. Daliri na lang ang ginamit doon ni Jaja. Timeout, Sherwin Meneses. Adamson down by 5.